glad you joined us. Your new word for today is the word refrigerator. Try saying that one more time. Refrigerator. Excellent job. A refrigerator is a device that we use to keep things cold. So the refrigerator is usually in your kitchen, and sometimes we say fridge instead of refrigerator. And that's just a shorter way of saying it, but they mean the same thing. How would you use the word refrigerator in a sentence of your own? Have a look at our example sentence up here. Don't forget to put the groceries in the refrigerator. Practice saying that one more time. Don't forget to put the groceries in the refrigerator. So try using this word refrigerator in a sentence of your own. Even just practice saying it so you can get the pronunciation down. And we'll see you back here tomorrow for another word on Word Whiz. Bye, everybody.